our first wedding anniversary date. Yee! We decided to celebrate our first wedding anniversary in Galleria Mall. Nag-decide lang kami na mag-watch ng The Devil Wears Prada and mag-dinner sa Antonia. Pero first things first, Pinkberry is life. Favorite ko nga tong Pinkberry. It's a frozen yogurt. And nahawa na sa akin yung asawa ko. Favorite na rin niya yung frozen yogurt.
O, dalawang Pinkberry.
Yes, ang pogi naman ng kasama ko. At saka video ko nga po, ay naubos na pala niya yung toppings. Grabe talaga siya. After niya, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami and we decided na maghanap ng kainan ni Johan kasi mag 6 months na siya at mag-start na siya mag-solids. By the way guys, i-flex ko lang sa inyo yung washroom dito sa mall. Nakakatuwa nga yung mga washroom dito sa mall sa UAE kasi it's giving hotel vibes. Ayan o, diba? May ganyan pa. Yung tipong talagang mako-comfort ka talaga. And super clean palagi. Meron din silang separate na room talaga for changing your babies. It's very family friendly. And ngayon, mag-buy na tayo ng ating snacks for the movie. Alam niyo, nakakatuwa dun sa movie house kasi nung pumasok na kami, alam mo yung mga pumapasok din, nakakatuwa kasi mga couples din. Grabe, supportive ang mga asawa at mga boyfriend. So ayun na nga, hindi ko alam kung saan yung binook ko na seat. Hindi ko sure kung dun sa kabilang dulo or sa kabilang dulo. Hindi ko kasi makita yung number ng seat, yung pala na dun sa may ilalim. So narealize namin na mali talaga at ayan, lumipat na kami dun sa kabilang side. Couple seats nga yung binook namin na movie house. And it's so cute. Ayan, baka nga maubos na yung popcorn bago pa mag-start yung movie. Nako. Anyway, ayan na, mag-start na yung movie. Nood muna kami. After the movie, we went straight to Antonia to have our early dinner. Grabe, since we had Johan, eto na lang ulit yung time na nakapag-date kami, na kaming dalawa lang talaga.
This tagliatelle, bolognese, it comes like a
To share.
sharing portion.
Half tray. Ano isa? Yung may beef? One. Was kayola.
So you are 4%
Half tray.
No, we're two only.
Yeah, but for two it's a little bit more food, huh? It's okay.
Really?
Because we have two of plates like a
It's big already. Which one do you want? The
Beef.
truffle pizza or the beef?
Beef.
Okay, we'll go for the beef.
okay. You mean the post starters?
Let's start.
Nah,
It's okay.
I think we're,
Thank you. Thanks.
now we're good in it.
We will have coffee after.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No any food allergy, right?
Buti na lang nakinig kami dun sa waiter kasi sabi niya, akala niya 4th person yung kakain. Eh, super dami na pala namin in-order. I love their sour bread here. Grabe, ang sarap. Ito na yung order namin na pizza. It's so nice. Ang tawag dyan, Boss Kayola. Boss something like that. I love the vibe here and they also serve alcohol. Super love the food. Grabe, ang sarap nung pasta din na na-order namin. And the pizza, oh my god, ang sarap talaga. Babalik nga kami dito to try their other food naman. Sabi ko, I want to try all their pizza kasi ang sarap talaga. And probably next time, we'll try their Sadiyat branch naman kasi maganda daw yung view doon. Super nag-enjoy nga kaming mag-asawa. It felt really nice to have time for each other. Just talking about our life, our family, and the future that we're building together. Thank you po, Lord, sa mga blessings na binibigay nyo sa amin.